Hey guys, welcome to the Darling Toy House. If you like our videos and want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to learn all about prehistoric animals. Pachycephalosaurus, Carnotaurus, Velociraptor, Brachiosaurus, Stegosaurus, Triceratops, woolly mammoth, Diplodocus, Dimetrodon, Tyrannosaurus rex, Spinosaurus, Pterodactyl, Parasaurolophus. Thanks for watching guys, we'll see you on our next video.